Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a crosshair comments in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select this tools option. Now select this comment option and click on this sticky note option and put your sticky note here and click right button for properties and choose here this crosshair option and set this crosshair color black. Also you can change opacity and now select OK and click on this comment box three dot option and select edit. Now type here a text or paste text. Now you can post a text and also you can reply, you can add check mark or remove and see this. Of course here comments added here. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.